The Alcolimit Enforcer Breathalyser is Australian standards approved. It provides high accuracy at an affordable price. Remove your Enforcer Breathalyser out of its packaging. The Enforcer Breathalyser includes 2 AA alkaline batteries, 5 mouthpieces, 1 user manual and 1 calibration reminder card. Insert AA alkaline batteries into the breathalyser. Hold the button for 2 seconds. Once the breathalyser reaches 0, you may blow into it. This may take up to 30 seconds. Tightly put on the mouthpiece. You have 2 modes, fast mode. You don't need a mouthpiece for fast mode. Simply blow a 3-second breath into the breathalyser. The other mode is normal mode for precise numerical readings. This mode requires a mouthpiece.